It's no secret that the challenges to your data center are rising in their costs and complexity. As your need to scale computing resources grows, so do the demands on space, power, and cooling, while the management of it all just continues to grow more complex. Though there are solutions that target different aspects of these challenges, I think we all know that these solutions are partial at best, incomplete, because they fail to address the data center as a whole. To do that requires thinking of your data center in a new way. As one cohesive, integrated system that architecturally unifies your network, compute, and virtualization resources. Welcome to the new world of Cisco Unified Computing System. Let's take a closer look. Here we see a typical enterprise in action. Now, these busy workers are not thinking about their networks or their data centers. They simply expect the applications that link them to their customers and fellow employees to be there, whenever and wherever they need them. So how do we do that today? Clustered servers, redundant infrastructure, and complex management schemes. Now imagine higher availability, less infrastructure, and simplified management, all while lowering your operating expenses. We're now talking about a single integrated system that for the first time brings together network, compute, and virtualization technologies into one. Sound good so far? Let's say your business needs to scale out your computing capacity. Okay, it's high drama time, right? Because we know that provisioning servers requires individually managing a lot of elements. Interface cards, firmware, switches, and of course servers. It's almost always costly, complicated, and risky. Cisco Unified Computing System radically simplifies that process by the use of service profiles. A service profile allows you to manage your system holistically by combining the hardware, networking, and virtual components into one pre-configured template. To meet your new business demands is now as simple as deploying service profiles to Blades. By associating these service profiles with business policies, when we need more capacity, we can get it at the press of a button. We can even automate the whole process if we choose. Another example. Let's suppose you need to add an entirely new application to your data center. Typically, that means adding new servers to house that application. And just as typically, it creates disruption at every level of your business. Today's approach is to take advantage of unused cycles on your hardware by virtualizing your servers. But there's a catch. With today's Blade solutions, migrating virtualized servers requires manual intervention, more hands-on. With Cisco Unified Computing System, however, server migration is simple and seamless. By offering this unified management approach, the system allows you to repurpose your physical and virtualized resources as needed, with no disruption of service at all. So you can easily scale your data center, lower your total cost of ownership, and guarantee applications like Cisco Unified Communications perform the way they were designed to perform. By integrating all of its computing resources around a unified network fabric based on 10 gig Ethernet, the Cisco Unified Computing System provides integrated connectivity for both your virtualized and non-virtualized environments. This wire once approach results in drastically decreased setup times. Application deployments can shrink from weeks or days to just minutes. To sum it all up, Cisco Unified Computing System responds to your data center challenges by uniting your network, compute, and virtualization resources into one seamless system, one that will allow you to be more responsive to your business and more competitive in your industry. Revolutionary? We think so, and we think you'll agree.